Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in same TVGH so what friend me Adjoa set him.
We are NPP MP and I NPP executive. An NPP former appointee and I NPP penny. Now we need A plus any form of relationship. So our relationship, no, that form of relationship, no, keep it at that. Say your friendship, say your business wise, say your family, whatsoever. Keep that relationship, no, at that. Because someone try say mo the A plus by MPP ma, and if you try say you will bring A plus into MPP matter, whoever you are, some of you, whoever you are, the way we will come at you, Messi anya ne sa phrase you, ye wa bem the time an A plus DMPP abanyantem. Edi MPP full soldiers atem mo defend the party ni government no war, eye Facebook ni social media. Na ye wo ya pointies no so A plus so some of them no more money contract, some of them na obecome offices na A plus wo hodom A plus to me ba Facebook be ka say MPP for mu ye de criticizing on the comment section appointees no cry no mo from omonfa but me from anytime omonfa me timi ko jiska omo me timi come office anytime and it was true and some na no more can it was true and crofona na fight more no A plus e di o matema say ye co position ye be affect you no ye from no omonfa but A plus had access to them. They were giving A plus contract in the I'm telling you guys, me say, regardless of and found a relationship I know. Wow, be so the A plus A plus no opportunities to one say this be co-position in 2028. Until now, no percent or detium, no then who bet you to the NPP. Dr. Baumia doesn't need A plus to come to power. A plus no wine. And question bro for basa. Parliament ground to me kasa nipa wana kra na abetimi akanya asem a kire na ebe change na adwen wo wana abetimi a convince na mana to aba but you see me A plus no enyo on me focus MPP mpenifo wa woni A plus wo relationship emebunu no ya so the way I ni abre no and ye mbe ye fan fooling chale me hu ade se na me buafu because I remember akwawe A plus and yere ni be di matem e wo me DM because wo di MPP atem no percent okodi chairman or gomu ahonom in MPP name na me culture on Facebook say obi a wo di MPP atem o person obi di chairman na yere ne ba me DM mu be di matem na nya asem ketwa me say enya ne sa afrase we MPP ni MPP pani whoever you are now try say you bring A plus into MPP matter chale.
But what Timmy anya 15. O say the ono tra school wo krom ha no no. A wonya 8 ones ni wa hwan no. Ono ha benchen the work class no. See the sa kwara na wo krom ha no kotra bi anko yi 42.
Nene we and one aye.
And no I mix them. Yow. I don't know about SHS. Because old school. You call school no home. First year, second year, form 3. Omo free side to buy no.
Yes.
You do form 3 I no take you over. Because you kwa preparatory school no. You tell French, you tell certain subject side to ni yen chere no. It's omo ba. You keka grade ni boma. Form 1, form 2, form 3. Ubon say e bia na bon private school for no didi anymore.
Yeah.
Asante you do form 3 Saitoni no onye established nyina no hunu ne
be used to we no new system
majority dem who school nya majority omna na be ye head of school prefect no me I'm telling you but condition I find who are dey ba no enye easy eno ti na du twum kanu mu a na po kanu mu a na eboa no na wonte na nka me ba po be da koprempe afi o TV ensi Louis 4 years bourgeoisie for be ma. No. The piano with the mind of bridging the gap between the poor and see that. Because I'm free a crabby asinami ba opoku area. My benja schoolmate. Also akola no. Ma benya sikani bi ba o schoolmate adachi. Ahokire bi ba obetima boa me. Agoda akola no. Asante we bia o free a oba pogoare.
Ami free him.
So wo si na wo free class nyo na ka kire.
Wo si na me free him.
Nyo na wo ka say atwema
me free me twa me JHS. E wo fufu. Barakasi fufu sabre na e hot say. Na hot say na ma intimi masem
be. Asante no wa bin o.
Intimi masem
be. Say be bia wo free no ni say ma wo ba.
En sa time no nya de no free. E grade na ya sesa.
Very good.
E yem fa ho say
de dey to asante. Na say de nhihye bi to say be ya sa problem no emma biem.
Ka wo say ka no be to asemu.
It makes sense. Abansi wantimi antum because e kagu ho. 2 world price now with the year projection no dollar no so yen the na stronger enti ama
a BTA
enti the economy say for now na afei ya twen emre bi a John Mahama edu salary negotiation what happened
onu akotenem
ka say we de mesrem adabraka yenye ni say yenye say aye kasa we say the point is that say well nobody would understand. It defies common logic. Say, market share 1,000 misu. Osemete about 800. The answer is because she can't ho.
But is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
A cocoa farmer no projecting is saying non expectation can be 6,000. One yet about 3,000 some two muka crabin a mano. Chianaka unyan chia. Yeah, so Baba can nyansa samachena was a matesu because well but just a double stories. Sa sabin sem hununa na NPP aban ye bi ane ka chomo muntin enu bi oko Facebook enu bi no wan say the semantics the world market price the dollar exchange rate the one me what say catch the politician omunsia de o omunsia de na you see Jamahama we need to take the toughest decision. Enti Akufo-Addo the new Jimmy.
Oh, they won't cast.
See, we need to tell politicians. School bear no makwa School bear no makwa
The level no level.
What you say? President John Mahama PhD. The master's yes. So let them not behave as if say they are superhumans. And when you now have a problem, and you bet politicians.
It's true.
Sabi who war nim the bebre chancrophobia, omuye ministers ne DCEs. Ayadom. Let them not behave as if say
they are demigods.
They are demigods said yentimi koma semna or your president today or superhuman. And no be no ya kan yo menti afidi Akufo-Addo. Ekotefa so a ene. And this is the danger. They be catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omutinka, omuhinenka no. Woman defend something na. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
But who be message akwadwo was say e kanika musa no. Ono ko akwaje bosia ni projection dey say the na dada no. Says can dey be bama na.
They don't have, you see,
is what is
you see when MPP a debt exchange program
affect him
people, you see, politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians say because they have people defending them no what you want say but they are silent people, they don't talk.
Yes.
And no be na me say me dey be catch MPP for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I am not the ME and say, I catch a phone and no person much say because say, Omunim Kakrenti, Omudominyan say about Bechesomu, would the Oka what Jimmy? Another name before no. The idea say, Oka Kokwa Semno, what Jimmy, Unim the Oka, Nadian, you are hollow, Mimi a hollow.
We are shallow, dear bay.
Me a hollow
because all criticize a decision from government.
But you see,
affected
they don't get it. And some you see, Enra, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say Chairman Sakan BB.
Okay.
Or say, see, I can't people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What the name Timin Drew say about the floating voters
and the
Winiaba.
That's true.
Makacho say MPP, NDC, Omuni 44% to the floating voters. Women decide who becomes the president. And we speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
we speak to the flow. And yeah, entrench MPP near NDC.
Some they look at issues with political
exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
In Ashanti region, we were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Nana Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
So you don't come in and say all these things.
But you ask what power line, but you see the issue is that
every time, I'm a bufu. And then John Mahama Chechi. And then what Chechi? Basia bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change aba.
So I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man, you be komu, yare ye komu, yare be okra be mad. But because we love Ghana so much, ne duru be no, na ye yare because of Akufo-Addo. You be sorry ni akuma ye ya. Me na me ni akuma yare. Akufo-Addo nti me nya akuma yare. So we don't want a situation where you be sa be sha se ni ekikam. No.
But don't you think that I mean, relax. I mean,
say.
Viewers, subscribers, mumpe in Subi and Yunami Fangu, dog, Akumas, na dog, no. Don't you think, say, yeah, never basa in the past, but it is time we swallow the bitter pill by maybe taking the tough decisions, which will, in the long run, inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now,
Akufo-Addo take his tough decision, no, affecting no. This exchange, no, but I'm saying, say, Akufo-Addo, yeah, tough decisions. So the NDC has benefited from those DDEP. Okay. True or false? Yeah, these are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
And NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akufo-Addo, they said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was, the Oya now call so what do I say? A drew maybe when certain taxes and then I say for a buy, it's not what this in bottom. Taxes, Akufo-Addo see edition bottom. And yes, a campaign against him. It's now names a cocoa sector, no. Mama beto ka mujaka.
And NPP beto you.
And NPP beto you no yo mudie. No majabi because a kabi a legacy.
Yeah, beto omuza.
A legacy where amuke musu mejaka. Because 4 years in beba no. Mo de ka and a beto aso.
I see. Let be the cow.
A ka ye won yo maybe wo ha a ka.
Let mama me emfa politics ma doing because cocoa dey affect obi a o.
Share. E dey no.